Okay. Okay. First thing we've got is Pascal's triangle. Okay. 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 Is that the last one? Okay. All right, guys. Shh. You guys filled in Pascal's triangle a second ago. I'm sure we all got to there. We determined to get any square. We simply add the two squares diagonally above it. Yeah?
Yes.
Cool.
Wait, who was Pascal's first name?
Blaise. Blaise. Would you prefer it pronounced a different way? No? Oh.
I knew
Okay. Spelled different. So. Well, he was he French or Italian? He was French, yeah. Is it pronounced Blaise? Yeah, okay, that's what I thought. You just giggled when I said it, so I was like, okay. You thought it was funny? I have a master's degree in mathematics. I have taken 3 history courses on mathematics alone. Yeah, it's phenomenal. If I had ever had to maybe my 3rd or 4th career down would be my PhD would be a focus on historical mathematics. So no. If I were to change profession to something. Oh, I would try to go for some sort of acting career if I could try. So, all right. Okay, guys. Really quick. Let's go through these.
Okay.
Shh. Focus. Okay. Calculate. Guys, what is anything to the 0th power?
0.
1. 1. Okay. Anything to the 0th power is 1. Okay. What is a plus b to the 1st power?
A plus B.
A plus b. 0. Guys, what number is in front of a?
1.
Okay. What number is in front of b? 1. Okay. A plus b squared. So if we expand that out, Josiah? Okay. A squared plus 2ab plus b squared. What's in front of the a? What's in front of the b?
1.
Okay.
That's just like a plus b plus a plus b is how you get that.
You have an ab and an ab. So if you want, here, let's do the steps on squared.
I'm saying you skipped a step, right?
I did skip a step. Here, let's go ahead and we can squeeze it in. I gave you guys plenty of room. Okay. Oop. Okay. I gave us room. I'm putting the 1s for a reason. Okay. All right. Yeah, I'm waiting. Don't worry.
We don't need to have the ones in front.
We don't need to have the ones in front. I think I'll just have a seat right here.
Don't break the leg.
I know, right? So. No guessing it. We're going to work it out. After that, you won't guess it. You're going to say it because it's not guessing. All right. Well, we're going to expand it out, Josiah, so as long as you're not going to just give me the answer.
Well, I can expand it out.
All right, expand it out for me. First of all, what's the first step of expansion? Okay, then we go ahead and do the far right too. Okay.
We already know
that. Yeah, we already know what that's going to be. Correct. It's going to be this right here. Plus, sure. A squared plus I can't quite hit the same pitch Alexa hits. Okay. Yeah? Now, we do all sorts of distribution. I'll pause for another few seconds so people are still writing. I get to copy paste. Okay. So now we distribute all over the place. Florian, what are we distributing first? A. So we distribute that A. We're going to get A cubed plus 2A squared B plus AB squared. Then distribute the B plus A squared B plus 2AB squared. I'm going to have to squeeze this last one on the bottom. Plus B cubed. I'll just move, actually. I'll just move it. Okay. And then I'm going to combine like terms in just a second after I know you guys are done writing. They called me that in 6th period last year for Algebra 2. Right off the bat in the beginning of the year, I think not too long into the year I had shaved my head.
That's not why I called you Thanos.
No, they called me Thanos for a different reason though. You're doing it because of Bend Reality. They did it for 2 reasons. I shaved my head, and then at the quarter, not at the quarter, but they said I simply snapped my fingers and everybody's grades are cut in half. So that's what they always said. I Thanos snapped their grades. Okay. And then I was gonna. My wife texted me because she loved the fact that Disney Plus allows you to choose up to a lot more profiles. And
profile picture is Thanos.
Yeah. Yeah. So I embrace it. Okay, let's combine like terms. Let's combine like terms. There's only one A cubed, right? Okay, I'm going to stop. Because right now, after you guys are done writing that, you already combined like terms. Cool. That's not confusing. You're confusing.
Is it okay if we just remember the bottom part?
Yeah. I'm going to show you something in a second here. Okay. Okay. Guys. That's funny. I just talked about that song with somebody yesterday.
Really?
Yep. Okay. Tell me when you're done. Patricia, you tell me. Yeah. Not Russian. Okay. All right. So, Madeline, thank you for asking that wonderful question. Madeline, what is that number? What is the coefficients here? And what are the coefficients here?
1 and 2 and 1. Oh my god.
What are the coefficients here?
It's a conspiracy.
1 and 3, 1. I mean 3.
Okay, stop it.
Okay.
The next one's going to be 1, 4, 6, 4, 1.
That's my prediction.
Okay. Now, so Dylan says his prediction will be the coefficients of A plus B, because we don't want to do this to the 4th power, right? That's crazy talk. So Dylan says his prediction will be that the coefficients are going to be 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. So, but Josiah has an even harder prediction because he's going to try to do the whole thing. You said you were, right?
I was going to do the 3rd.
You're going to try this one? All right, let's see if Josiah is going to do the 1, 4, 6, 4, 1, but he's going to add a little bit more to it because we need the variables and the exponents. So, hold on a second. Let me get ready. a plus b to the fourth. Please don't write, because I'm just going to write down whatever Josiah says, and then I'm going to ask you guys about it. So don't write this in case he's wrong. A plus b to the fourth will be what, Josiah?
Plus 4ab squared plus 6a squared b squared plus 4a squared b cubed plus b cubed.
Okay.
That's
It looks about right.
But is it?
Is it right? Martina.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah? Florian is right?
No.
Leticia? No? What? You just said yes. Why are you lying to me? It might be the gum chewing and the phone. Just so many distractions going on. How can we possibly pay attention? Okay. Martina, what are we going to fix?
B is not squared.
The b is not squared.
And the A.
And the a is not squared. Now we're good. Okay. Guys, it's very easy to tell what's going on. Okay?
I knew.
Here's the way you remember it. Here's the way you remember it. Don't write yet. Don't write yet. Just focus for now. I'll give you a chance to write in a second. Okay? I think, can everybody here think to know, like, start with a to the fourth because it was to the fourth power and it's the first letter? Okay. Then you, Florian, okay? Then you're bringing in those coefficients. Is everybody okay that you bring in the 1, 4, 6, 4, 1? As one variable decreases in power, the other variable increases in power. So b doesn't even exist in this first one. It's just a to the fourth. Then a drops a power. It becomes cubed. b now comes into existence as b to the 1. Then a drops a power, becomes squared. b gains power and becomes squared. A drops a power, becomes 1. B gains a power, becomes 3. A goes out of existence. B is now to the fourth.
So can I do the next one?
Yeah,
Wait,
can we
can
try
there be negatives?
Can we write this down then?
If we went one more, wouldn't the A, like, the A are gone? The A's are gone.
No, when we go to the next one, what's going to happen?
Oh, I thought it would just keep on continuing or one.
What?
It's a switch.
Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. Josiah, does that make sense? Okay. All right, so Samuel wants to try a plus b to the fifth.
Sydney.
Oh, Sydney wants to try it? Sydney. Okay, I'll give it a pause. I promised you guys a pause to write down the right answer. How'd you feel about that, Patricia? Huh? Yeah. So we start off right, we're at 1 a to the fourth. Then it's going to be 4 because it was to the fourth power. So we're taking that row where it says 1, 4, 6, 4, 1, right? So it's going to be 4. A drops a power. B now comes into existence. 6. A drops a power. B gains 1. It's already at 1. Now it's at 2. Now we bring in the 4 again. A drops a power. B gains 1. And then we're back. Now we're to the 1 again. A drops a power. It's gone. B gains a power. It's the 4. Okay. Engelsma. Okay. Oh, wait. We were told to wait. Yeah. Un momento. Give me a second. All right. Engelsma.
A to the fifth.
Yep.
Plus 5a to the fourth. B plus 10. A to the a cubed. Oh no, a to the 3 or whatever.
Yeah.
B squared.
Dylan. Shh. Michael.
Plus 10a squared plus b cubed plus 5a b to the fourth plus b to the fifth.
Okay. There you go. Now, we get to an issue, though. Pascal's triangle is fantastic. We have this mathematician philosopher who's discovered this pattern. He designs this triangle that follows this pattern. Everything's wonderful, fantastic, superb, spectacular. Okay?
Until what?
Until he says, until he looks at the world and says, but what is, and we don't write this down.
Negative.
Do we want to build that triangle?
I mean, I'd rather build a triangle than do a plus b 100 times.
We'd rather do, so we've got, right? So this is, guys, this is when you're being taught things in math. What are you doing? Well, it makes me nervous when it's up like that. It makes me feel like filming or something's going on. Okay? So, we've got multiple tasks in front of us. We've got the expansion way up here, where we're doing stuff like this, right? We don't want to do that. That sucks. So here's where math is the solution, right? It's when somebody notices a pattern and we build something, but it's super clunky, but it exists. And then later on, it gets boiled down and becomes purified, and we get to this thing that we can use in science a lot easier. So we've got this expansion method. Sucks. Oh, hey, we've got Pascal's triangle. Okay, we can use that. Well, now we can bring in something called the binomial theorem. Now, the binomial theorem does not make life massively easy. This will still take forever, because how many terms will this have? 101 terms. Okay, so it'll be a long answer no matter which way we cut it. But we can use something called the binomial theorem. So we're going to start off just learning a little bit about it before the end of class, and then we'll continue the lesson tomorrow. So, flipping the page. Flipping the page, we get to the stuff that we could go home and we can show our parents this is what we're working on, and they'll go cross-eyed and faint. Okay?
That's exactly what I want to do.
My mom just got her math degree. Cube 15. She'll be like, no thank you.
So, the binomial theorem. Binomial theorem, and if they learned it again,
None of my parents. I'm serious. He didn't finish it.
okay. Oh, I switched those.
I told my dad, I'm going to drop all of you. You're successful.
BK, right? Sorry. Okay. Shh. Okay, the binomial theorem. The binomial theorem says that a plus b to the nth power is equal to. Okay.
For EK equals O.
So this is going to, right underneath this, okay? Right underneath this, please. Yes, please. I did take attendance. Okay. Malika, it's you? Okay.
Is it chose
Choose.
and choose K?
Mm-hmm.
What? And
The sum,
no, just two.
the sum as k goes from 0 to n choose k, a to the n minus k, b to the k.
Wait.
Guys, what you sit there and you're shaking your head saying I'm lost. I haven't taught you anything, so you can't be. We haven't even entered the path to be lost.
That sounds dumb.
Okay.
I'm lost, but don't worry.
Okay? And I wonder if Mr. Bates thought you might be lost at the wording. What does the next line say?
What is
And what does the line after that say? Right. So I think Mr. Bates had an idea that he's going to have to teach you how to decipher this, right? Maybe possibly.
It would be fun.
Okay.
Just let us do it. Like made us do it.
Huh?
Can we put commas? I put commas because that was improper English. Bro, like just to have the letters like by themselves all next to each other.
Yes.
Can we put a comma after n minus k?
What? Oh.
Okay. Because of the fact that a summation creates a list. So, we're going to pause here. We'll do binomial theorem tomorrow. And I'm warning you, I might have reprinted notes for you guys to copy down for the first few minutes that have your workbook and homework. Don't worry about turning in your homework right now.
So I did it last night for nothing.
No, you did it last night.